Hi, welcome to Excel Module 1. Bob is the co-owner of Blooming Everywhere Delivery, and it's a floral delivery service. So the first thing we'll do is open up our resources, and it looks like this. Your name should appear in B6. The next thing you want to do is click on the bottom tab, Company Analysis. And it says select cell A1, so there's A1, and enter Blooming Everywhere Delivery. And then it wants us to center that. So let's take that and center it. And what it wants you to do is A1 through D1, and they already did a merge cell for you. Next, they want to apply heading 1. So I take that and I go over to my page layout. Let's see, got to find my headings here. And I apply heading 1. So that wasn't so bad. Next it says to enter the text review in cell A2. So A2, review. And then merge and center that. So I want to take that after I enter, and I want to draw all the way over from A2 to D2, and then I hit merge and center. We want to clear the contents of E3. So 1, 2, 3, E. So just hit the space bar. Next it says enter the data in table 1 below. So we want to go to B7. There's B and 7. And we want 1800. Then we want 1950. Then we want 2020. And I just hit enter after each one. Using the fill handle, we want to copy the formula in B8. Okay, so B8 is the formula. And you can just take your little cursor here, and we want to go from, let's see, C8 to D8. All right, so we can draw this formula, C8 to D8, and we just bring it over here. Oh, no, I guess it wanted me to take this formula, and then you just see that little plus sign, you just drag it on over, and there you go. That was pretty easy. Next, it wants us to merge and center A10 through D10. So you just, again, drag over the 3, merge and center. Next, we want B12 through D16, and we want the accounting number format. So B12, this is like bingo. B12 through D16. And you go up here to where it says general, and you pull that down and you hit accounting. The expenses table shows all the company's expenses from 2018 to 2020. Bob wants to calculate the total expenses by adding up the total expenses for the year. So in E16, which is right there, we want to create a formula using the sum. So we go equals sum, parentheses, and then we can tell it what we want to do. So from here to there, here to there, and then you hit enter. So that wasn't too hard. All right, next we want to update the formatting of our merged ranged A18 to D18. So that's this guy. And we want to bold the content, so bold is right there. And we want to change the font to Calibri, so that's right there. And then we want it 13 point, so it doesn't have it in the pull down, so we just type it and enter. And then we want green accent dark 25%. So we want to go green accent. Let's see if I can do it here. Yes, green accent. Accent 6. And then darker 25%. Here's 40%. Light green. Green accent, light green. Alright, so got to go to the new cell style. Nope. So we're going to make it green accent. So cell styles, green accent. So here's your accents. It's 10th row of the theme. Alright, so let's find theme. May take me a minute. It's been a while. Colors. There we go. And green. Nope, that's not it, because it's not a theme. Yeah, it says 5th row of the 10th column, 5th row. Oh, here we go. Theme. 10th column, 5th row. That's what I'm thinking. Now, the company's completion and taxes have increased through the years, and Bob will only recommend continuing to grow the business if profits increase. In B20, we will create a formula, B20, okay? We're going to create a formula. So anytime you're going to create a formula, you put the equals sign. And we want to calculate the profits earned in 2018 by taking the total expenses, B16, so equals B16, and then it says we want to minus from, so I'm kind of doing it backwards because I'm reading it backwards, and we want it from total revenue, so that's right here. So E8 minus B16. Nope, it wants B8. Right here. B8. See how it highlights it for you? Then you can come to the end and hit enter. And then using the fill handle, this is called the fill handle, the little plus right at the corner here. We can drag it across and it calculates it for us. Now, we want to change the tab color of Company Analysis Worksheet to orange. And that one, I'm not sure. Let's see. If I can do that. Nope. That one you'll have to look up. Alright. And let's see. Third column, first row, standard color palettes. Third column, first row. Oh, there's where my green was. Huh? Okay. Third column, first row, company analysis. Won't let me do it there. Alright, well, so we can go change that theme. So you can just see, if you play with it, you're okay. If you don't play with it, then you aren't okay. So this wanted to be, this was what they were talking about, theme colors, 10th column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, third row. So that's what they wanted. All right. We want to move to the chart to its own chart sheet. So what you want to do is come down here, and we're going to double click that, and we're just going to say 2018 to 2020 revenue. Then we can come back here, take this, and we can either cut it or we can Control-C copy it. Come over here and Control-V. So again, Control-C to copy it, Control-V to paste it. If you want to get rid of it here so it's not the same place, Control-X. And there you have it. All right, let's see what else they want us to do. Select the non-adjacent ray A12 to A15. So go back to company analysis, A12 to A15, and then do control, and we want to do D12 to D15. So I have both of those selected, and I use the Control left mouse key. And I want to create a pie chart. So Insert, Chart, Pie. And there it is. And then we can move it around. Very cool, isn't it? All right, in the title placeholder, enter expenses in 2020 as the chart title. So you just come and double click in your chart, and then you type in 2020 expenses. And we can have then a 3D pie chart just by clicking on it. And we can come over here and change what we want to do. Let's see. Change color. Oh, here we go. Chart elements all the way to the left. You got titles, labels, legends. You can do all that in here. And let's see how we change it to change type chart. So that was a right click on the actual chart type. And we can go to 3D pie and click OK. And then you have your choice of what kind of 3D you want. So that's kind of style 3, I think is what it wants. Look at that. It's beautiful. So that is under Design Chart Tools. And you get that again by clicking right and then change chart type. All right. So that's what it should look like. Mine looks a little different because of my theme, but we can go back up here and go to our page layout and change our theme back to Office. And there you have it. Pretty neato. Good job. All right. Then you can save it and go on from there. Congratulations.